In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find part-time jobs on Glassdoor. If you're looking to earn extra income or fit work around school, caregiving, or another job, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to search, filter, and evaluate listings so you can quickly find roles that match your schedule. Start by opening your browser and going to glassdoor.com. On the homepage, you'll see a search bar with two fields. In the first, type a job title or a keyword that fits what you're after, like barista, server, tutor, retail associate, or even a skill such as Excel or customer service. In the second field, enter the location where you want to work, your city, region, or zip code, then click search. This ensures your results are tied to the area you actually want. On the results page, look for the filters option. Depending on your device, you'll find it on the left side or along the top. Open it to refine your results. Under job type, select part-time. This is the essential step that narrows everything down to part-time roles only, clearing out full-time and contract listings that don't fit your needs. By the way, I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor at the very top of the description so you can jump straight there without typing the address. Now browse the listings. Scroll through the part-time roles and click any job that interests you. Inside each posting, read the job description to understand daily responsibilities. Check the work schedule to see expected hours or shifts, and review the requirements so you know whether experience, certifications, or specific availability are needed. If a listing is vague, look for clues such as start dates, pay ranges, and whether evenings or weekends are required. If you want more context, click the company name to open its profile. Here you can see ratings, employee reviews, and often notes about benefits for part-time employees. Focus on recent reviews and look for consistent themes, especially from people in similar roles. A pattern across many reviews is more reliable than a single outlier. When you find a strong match, click Apply Now to begin the application, either on Glassdoor or redirected to the employer's site. Before you submit, quickly tailor your resume to highlight relevant skills and your availability. If you're not ready to apply, use the Save option to keep track of interesting roles and compare them later. That's the process from start to finish. Search, filter to part-time, review the details, learn about the employer, and apply or save. Follow these steps each time you're exploring new opportunities, and you'll cut through the noise fast. Thanks for watching, and